For over 85 years, Brandt has been developing grain handling products to help you move grain in and out of your bins, and now the full range of Brandt GrainCarts allows you to enter into the field, maximizing your harvest productivity.
The design of the Brandt GrainCart allows the operator to fill the cart to its full capacity, any product, any condition, ease of use, and reduction of downtime in the field.
Brandt designed the Discharge auger on the XR series carts to provide the optimum clearance and reach, ensuring you hit the center line of the trailer while still having good clearance between the trailer and the cart. The corner auger design is the simplest and most reliable way to get the grain flowing into the sump and then giving you good visibility during the unloading process by having the auger extend out and forwards so that as you're driving the tractor, you can maintain some forward visibility while still seeing how you're unloading into the trailer.
The advantage of the 20-inch auger system on the 1,000-bushel grain cart is that you've got a capacity of up to 500 bushels a minute.
The supercharged discharge auger on the 1322 offers capacities up to 620 bushels per minute due to the large 22-inch inlet necking down to a 20-inch discharge. The adjustable downspout rotates hydraulically to ensure that you're always loading into the center line of the trailer. Because it's mounted on an angle, as you rotate the spout left and right, it actually moves forwards and backwards through the arc of rotation, ensuring that you can adjust it precisely and ensure that you've filled all the corners and have a nice even load ready to go down the road. Brandt's DXR grain carts feature a 20-inch horizontal floor-mounted auger to pull grain to the front, where the large 22-inch discharge auger will load your trucks with capacities up to 800 bushels per minute. The 1522 DXR grain cart features a large 1,500 bushel tank for the ultimate in grain capacity, but has a compact design to minimize the width, keeping all components of tires and augers within the dimensions of the tank for safe and easy transport and operation in the field.
When you're designing a cart to travel on public roads, it's important that you meet those requirements and meet those standards, but also it allows you to ensure that you've designed the hopper tank angles and the clean out points of the cart such that you're not having any grain hang up, and when you're emptying that cart's empty every time.
The tank on the DXR grain cart has been engineered for complete and total clean out by ensuring that the round tubing bracing leaves no flat edges or surfaces for grain to hang up in, and this allows for a quick and easy clean out completely between grain loads.
What you have with the horizontal auger is the opportunity for even more steep tank angles. You can have near vertical walls on the side, near vertical walls on the rear, and a very high slope that feeds into the horizontal auger. That will give you the best opportunity for the maximum amount of clean out every time.
The discharge auger on our DXR grain carts has two transport positions. One is used in the field for quick opening and closing when you need it. The other one allows for a more compact footprint driving down the road, giving you legal transport width.
When you're moving up to 800 bushels a minute, it's very important to precisely put that grain into the semi and load that semi evenly. On the DXR models, we have a joystick operated discharge auger. It allows articulation up and down, pivoting around the horizontal auger, as well as fore and aft movement of the discharge spout and left to right movement.
Brandt's DXR grain carts feature a thick half-inch flighting for extended life.
Augers typically wear out at the edge of the flight, so what we've done is doubled the thickness on that edge to extend the life of the flighting.
In order to minimize compaction and give you the ultimate in flotation, Brandt has several different tire options ranging from a standard tire size, a flotation tire size, or for the ultimate, a track system to completely reduce the compaction on your farm.
If you want the least ground compaction, you want to choose ultimately the tracked undercarriage. The other benefit of a track is as the ground contours change, the bogie wheels on those tracks will articulate to the ground contours and allow for the least amount of soil disturbance as you're passing over, whether loaded or unloaded.
Brandt's hydraulic steering system on the dual axle DXR grain carts allows you to leave it in float position in the field to follow the tractor, reducing berming in the field, or take control of the steering to maneuver in tight places or around sharp corners. To operate a large grain cart in rolly, hilly ground, Brandt designed a hydraulic brake system to give the operator control of the cart.
With the DXR grain cart, we have a rubber suspension between the frame and the tank, and the frame can pivot about a point connected to the tank. That suspension allows for reduced shock load on the tractor and a smoother ride going through the field.
Brandt offers a full range of monitors on our grain carts to allow you to track the data that's important to your operation. Using the auto-log system on our grain cart monitors, it will automatically start capturing the data the minute you engage the PTO, so you don't have to remember to start up the monitor.
The auto unload feature gives you the ability to close the gate automatically once you've hit a preset load to ensure that you're not overfilling the truck. The data you can collect from the Discharge monitor will ultimately allow you to look back on the products that you harvested that year and make decisions to further improve your process in the future.
The Wi-Fi module allows you to track the activity of the grain using a smartphone or tablet, while the moisture sensor takes a reading and determines dry bushel weight. The GPS module allows you to see the positioning in the field where you have loaded and unloaded grain into your cart. For increased operator convenience, Brandt also offers an electric tarp, a complete camera kit, and an enhanced lighting kit.
The camera and the working lights are used for giving the cart operator full visibility into the tank as well as into the truck he's dumping. So we can position cameras at the rear of the cart, inside the tank, and on the auger. Inside the cab, the camera system has a monitor that allows the operator to then toggle between those cameras, and then in turn the lights obviously illuminate the work area to allow them to work well into the night.
Brandt designed our grain carts to make your job as easy as possible with a rugged, dependable machine that offers extra reach and clearance on the discharge auger, making unloading easier and safer, and as well, much better clean out, so that you can do more work in a day by having the unit take some of the stress and speed up the operation.
When we're designing any grain cart, we use the experience of testing with farmers, testing in-house, and ultimately the experience of the engineering group to produce the best possible design we can.
Brandt has engineered a full range of grain carts, giving you the high performance and reliability that you need to keep the combines rolling for a fast, productive harvest.